Yes, students, hello. A very good morning to you all and a very warm welcome to today's class, English class, that is to we can say English grammar class, in which in our previous classes we had started the topic determiners. Now determiners, we all know, हमने कल जब इसको begin किया था, we have discussed it very thoroughly. What are determiners? These are basically the determining words. और ये किसको determine करने का काम करते हैं? They function to determine the nouns. Nouns को determine करने का काम करते हैं. Okay, so those are known as determiners. So now when we talk of determiners, actually what is, we can say the importance of determiners in the English language. हम जब भी कोई सेंटेंस बोलते हैं और वी कन्वर्स विद एनीवन, व्हाटएवर वी डू व्हिच कंसीडर्स द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, तो वहां क्या होता है, इफ द वर्ड इज नॉट प्लेस्ड इन अ प्रॉपर प्लेस ना, तो वो आपकी पूरी क्या हो जाती है, इज नॉट वर्थ एट ऑल. तो पूरा का पूरा जो आपका ग्रामर का कॉन्सेप्ट होता है ना, वो बिगड़ जाता है. नाउ इफ समवेयर मुझे अ लगाना है और मैंने वहां पे द लगा दिया, तो आप देखने वाले को, अगर सामने वाले को सब आता है तो वो क्या बोलेगा, इसकी इंग्लिश बहुत पुअर है, इसे तो ए एन और द कहाँ लगाना है ये भी नहीं आता, तो हम इससे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखें कि इंग्लिश में क्या कर सकता है. स्टिल उस बच्चे के इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं, तो सिंपली व्हाट विल बी सेड, वी थिंक इसे रट्टाफिकेशन की आदत है, दिस इज अ पर्सन हु रट्टोफाइज एवरीथिंग एंड राइट्स इन द पेपर. तो वो वाली चीज जहां होती है तो वो एक बैड इंप्रेशन होता है. तो इफ यू वांट टू मेक योर लैंग्वेज वेरी इंप्रेसिव, you have to work on your grammar concept. So one among them is the most important concept, that is determiners, which we have already started in our previous class. So as we know that determiners कितनी type के थे, first is articles, second are demonstrative, third are distributive, then comes the possessive. After that what comes? After the possessive comes numerals and quantifiers. So in our yesterday's class, we did two determiners, two type of determiners, and they are articles and demonstrative. That's the last we are going to revise all again. So अभी ये दो किए थे, and the remaining four we'll try that we'll finish in today's class, but we'll go at a slow pace so that you will be able to understand it very nicely. So today, beginning with the third article, third determiner, that is distributives. Okay, distributive. Distributive, you know, distributive itself gives us the word distribute. Distributive हमें अपने आप में क्या वर्ड दे रहा है, distribute. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे, बांटना, कोई भी चीज को बांटना. I gave you a very fine example, and today I'll give you another one, that if I want to ask for a copy from all of you, मुझे सबसे आपसे कॉपी चाहिए, but no one gave me a copy, किसी ने नहीं दिया. So if I will say, Aniket, you didn't give me your copy, अंजलि आपने भी कॉपी नहीं दी, रोहन आपने भी कॉपी नहीं दी, अमित आपने भी कॉपी नहीं दी, सोहन आपने भी कॉपी नहीं दी, एंड सो ऑन. बहुत से बच्चों के नाम है, लाइक इफ देयर आर 105 स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, तो मेरा पूरा पीरियड तो इसी में ही निकल जाएगा, किसने कॉपी दी और किसने कॉपी नहीं दी, राइट, इसी में चला जाएगा. सो व्हाट आई विल फोकस ऑन इज कि मुझे इस चीज का खास ध्यान रखना है कि मैं पूरा पीरियड इस चीज में वेस्ट नहीं करके, आई शुड डू समथिंग that within one sentence the message is equally gone for all the students. Like if I say neither of you gave me your copy, I asked for the copies and neither of you gave me a notebook. आप में से किसी ने भी मुझे नोटबुक नहीं दी. तो ये जो चीज है, किसी ने भी मुझे नोटबुक नहीं दी, what is it? ये क्या है? ये neither word से this message is equally distributed to all. So we can say distributive are the word which shows equal distribution. Okay, which shows the equal distribution. So यहाँ पे क्या है, वर्ड क्या हो सकते हैं, like each of you come and have a sweet, every, I want this work done by every student. So I'll not say do this work, do this work, do this work. I'll say I want this work to be done by every student, by each student. So each and every, then comes all. All of you please come inside. So I'm not going to say Ram come inside, Sham come inside, Sohan come inside. What I'm going to say, all of you come inside. Now after this comes either of you can do this, and just iska opposite one more, that is neither. Neither of you is going to do this. So each, every, all, either and neither. So neither and either basically recognize one thing. Okay? So when I want to distribute my message, or I want to communicate my message equally to everyone, I am going to use the distributive. This is, we can say, the invention of the great grammaticians to make our language more simple and more clear. And it has also, we can say, contracted the length of the sentences. And it has also contracted the timing to deliver the message. So ऐसे words जो आते हैं वो हमें इन्हीं चीजों में help करते हैं. ठीक है? So each, every, all, either and neither and many more can be there जो distributives का काम करेंगे. But these are the main ones. Now after distributives, we move to the fourth one. That is possessives. Okay? Possessives. Now possessives are what? Possessives क्या होते हैं? You know, possessive is a word that is made from the word possessive. अब possessive actually क्या होता है? Possessive होना, that means कोई चीज जब आपसे belong करती है. When you have the belongingness with that thing, when you have the ownership of that thing. तो कहने का मतलब है, like if I say, यहाँ पे मेरे पास ये डस्टर है, and if I want to say that this is my duster, ये डस्टर मेरा है, with which word it is being shown, ये एक belongingness किससे पता चल रही है? This duster is mine. This is my chalk, my. This is our classroom. This shows that this classroom belongs to all of us. Now, in a while, suppose one day I am moving on from your street and you see me and you say, hello ma'am, how are you? I say, I'm fine. So you say, ma'am, please come inside. This is my house. So my is showing what? That house belongs to you. आप ऐसा तो नहीं बोल रहे ना, ma'am, come inside. This is your house. No, you are saying this is my house. So the ownership of that house is whose? Yours. So possessive basically shows the belongingness. So एक बहुत simple example as we say, होता क्या है? Suppose from the school you get late. आप स्कूल से घर जाने में थोड़ा लेट हो गए हो, ठीक है? आपके साथ में पूरी क्लास लेट हो गई है because of some or the other reason. सबके पेरेंट्स के कॉल आ रहे हैं. क्या एक पेरेंट ने कॉल करके पूरी क्लास के बारे में पूछा? नहीं. हर पेरेंट ने कॉल किया, हर पेरेंट ने अपने बच्चे के लिए पूछा. Why? Because वो बच्चा उनका है. That child belongs to those particular parents. So we are always possessive. We are always protected about what thing those belongs to us, जो हमसे belong करती हैं. So those words which shows the possessiveness, this means they show the belongingness. Okay, and another word we can use is ownership. This is my book. तो देखो यहाँ पे अगर if I say this is my book, so my is what? Possessive. Okay. Now one more example. This is our school now. This is what? Possessive. Now see, a very simple thing to note is, जैसे आप कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो, आप LPS के सामने आते हो तो you always say, या आप LPS का फोटो कहीं देखते हो, what you say? This is my school. और आप बोलते हो this LPS belongs to us. This is our school. तो ये वर्ड क्या होता है? R जो है शो कर रहा है. आप बीकानेर के किसी भी स्कूल के, या आप इंडिया के या वर्ल्ड के किसी भी स्कूल के आगे खड़े होके या उस स्कूल की पिक्चर को देख के ये तो नहीं बोलते this is my school or this is our school. You only recognize LPS as your school because it belongs to you, because it is your school. So you say this is our school. So R here shows that this school particularly belongs to you. That does not mean that you are the owner of the school, but that shows the belongingness that you belong to this particular school, not as an owner, as a student you belong to this. So you will say this is our school or this is my school. So ये जो words होते हैं, these are the possessives. Now I'll write few more examples of possessives कि और कौन-कौन सी चीजें हैं जो possessives में हम count कर सकते हैं. I'll write it down and you will find that yes, it's true. So देखो यहाँ पे हम my, second can be mine, ठीक है, third can be our, fourth can be your, then his, her, ठीक है. What else can be there? और क्या हो सकता है? There, ठीक है. This shows ours and yours can also be that thing, ours and yours. तो ये सारे क्या है? All these are the words that shows what, which are in the category that is known as possessive. ठीक है. When the things belong to you, मेरा मोबाइल फोन टूट गया तो दुख किसको होगा? मुझे. आप तो क्या बोलोगे? ओ मैम इट्स वेरी सैड, हमें पता चला योर मोबाइल फोन हैज ब्रोकन डाउन. तो मैम वी आर वेरी सॉरी टू नो दैट एंड नाउ यू विल बाय अ न्यू फोन. ना मैम, व्हिच फोन यू आर गोइंग टू बाय? तो आप तो बहुत जल्दी ही उस चीज से आप क्या कर दोगे? क्लिक कर दोगे ऑन द अदर थिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली दैट डिडंट बिलोंग टू यू. तो आपने तो मुझे सिंपैथी के 2 वर्ड कहे, दैट इज इट, right? But now I am going to bear the pain of losing my mobile phone. मुझे तो रात को नींद नहीं आने वाली because I have lost my particular mobile phone and which I have to buy now. Now that can be an expensive one. So this एक और ये burden और दिमाग के अंदर है. So why? Because I was possessive about my mobile phone. So जितना दुख, the pain that I am having to lose my mobile phone, that will not be the same as yours. Why? Because that didn't belong to you, but that mobile phone particularly belongs to me. So belongingness जहाँ होती है, हम उसी चीज के लिए बहुत possessive हो जाते हैं. Okay. Now the next one, possessives हो गई, distributives हो गई. Now the next one we are going to take is quantifiers. ओके. क्या है ये? क्वांटिफायर. दिस मीन्स, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है क्वांटिफायर. तो क्वांटी मीन्स शोइंग क्वांटिटी. ठीक है. अब क्वांटिटी हमेशा किस चीज की आती है? दैट थिंग दैट इज अनकाउंटेबल. Uncountable means the thing that is measurable. Okay. So quantifier shows quantity. Quantity का मतलब the thing is uncountable. Uncountable means it can be measured. It cannot be counted in numbers. So those are what? Quantifiers. Like if I say there are 10 bottles full of milk lying in front of you. तो क्या होगा? 10 बॉटल पड़ी है मिल्क की. Will you say 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk, 4 milk? No. अगर आपको बॉटल्स बतानी है, you will say that 5 bottles or 10 bottles. तो ये क्या काउंट हो रहा है? दिस इज द बॉटल बीइंग काउंट. बॉटल काउंटेबल है, यू कैन काउंट इट. बट द मिल्क इनसाइड इट, दैट कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड एज 1 मिल्क, 2 मिल्क, 3 मिल्क. If you say 1 bottle milk, 2 bottle milk, 3 bottle milk, it is actually the bottles you are counting. But जब milk की बात आती है तो it can be measured. 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, there is some milk, there is much milk, there is little milk. तो ये चीजें क्या होती हैं? Measurable होती है. ठीक है. दिस कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड. सो वी कैन से यहाँ पे जैसे इसका सबसे मेन एग्जाम्पल आता है सम, मच, मोर, लिटिल, एनी. ठीक है. तो ये सारे क्या है, ये जो वर्ड्स है ये हमें कहीं पे क्वांटिटी शो करता है, दैट इज बेसिकली क्वांटिफायर्स. इफ आई से there is some milk in the jug. ठीक है, if I say there is some milk in the jug, so some here is basically what? Some is determining what? The noun, that is milk. अब but milk is an uncountable noun. इसको quantity बताएंगे तो quantity के लिए what we use? Some. So some is what? It is a quantifier. Okay, understand? Some क्या है? एक quantifier है. Understood? Now see. Now next one. Now देखो some, much, many, more, ये जो चीजें थी, this can be like suppose if I say there is much food left, बहुत खाना बच गया है तो much हो गया. Do you have any milk left? तो वहां पे any क्या हो गया? Any is just showing the quantity. Little, there is little milk in the jug, so I can't make tea. तो ये little जो होता है, little, a little and the little, 3 categories में यूज होता है. तो little का मतलब बिल्कुल ना के बराबर, we can say equal to 0. A little का मतलब होता है थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, that is sufficient सा है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है. And the little का मतलब है तो थोड़ा, but जितना है बस इतना ही है, इससे ज्यादा नहीं है. So this is basically the variation between little, a little and the little. The similar thing is going to happen with the countables. उसमें हमारे पास few आ जाएगा. तो few, a few and the few. Few का मतलब होता है बहुत थोड़ा, a few का मतलब थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, एंड the few का मतलब sufficient quantity, बट जितना है बस उतना ही है. So see, the sixth one is numerals. Okay, numerals, that is numbers. It is countable. चीजों को जब हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, इट इज नंबर एंड इट इज काउंटेबल. अब ये दो टाइप से लिखे जाते हैं नंबर. वन इज 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है. सेकेंड नंबर्स को हम इस तरीके से देते हैं, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड सो ऑन. तो नंबर कैन बी रिटन इन दिस टू फॉर्म. और बाकी जो हमारे न्यूमरल्स होते हैं वो क्या होंगे? जैसे कि मेनी जो होता है उसको हम वहां पे, इसको हम काउंटेबल्स के लिए काउंट करते हैं. बेसिकली हम यहाँ पे न्यूमरल्स की नहीं, कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स है जिसको हम काउंटेबल में लेंगे. तो मेनी हमारा काउंटेबल में आता है. उसके बाद में फ्यू जो होता है वो हमारा काउंटेबल में आएगा. तो वो चीजें, देयर आर सम थिंग्स जिसे हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. कुछ ऐसे डिटर्मिनर्स which can be counted, they are many and few, but basically जब हम when we are talking of the numerals, तो numerals में हमारे ये numbers आते हैं which are known as 1, 2, 3, 4, first, second, third and fourth and so on can it be. ठीक है. So this way I gave you an example of there are 10 bottles of milk. तो ये 10 क्या है? 10 is a determiner which is a numeral. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ क्या है, जैसे 1, 2, 3, 4, so it can be 10, 20, 30, any number. So bottles can be counted. So it's number, it's countable ये. And now there are these two, जो many आता है या ये जो few आता है, this does not come in the category of numeral we can say, but these are the countable ones. तो इनको हम countables में लेंगे. तो चीजें जो बहुत होती है, I have many pencils, so pencils can be counted. मैं ये कभी नहीं बोलूंगी I have much pencils, because pencils can be counted. So I can say I have many pencils, I have many dresses, I have many friends, I have many notebooks. So all those things that can be counted, तो वहां पे आप many लोगे. Few, I have a few money with me. ठीक है. So I have a few money to buy the ticket. So few again comes with what? It comes with the countables, which can be counted. Few people were standing there, so people can be counted. Few children were playing in the garden, children can be counted. तो ये यहाँ पे आता है few. Now few also comes in a few, a few and the few. As I told you, few means बिल्कुल नहीं के बराबर, equal to 0, not worth it. A few is little better than that, and the few is sufficient one. जितना है उतना है, whether पूरा है या अधूरा है we don't know, बस जितना है उतना है, that is the few. कि एक बार तो काम हो जाएगा, but the quantity is which it is shown, बस उतना ही है, so that is few, the few. Okay, so with this we can say हमारे ये 6 के 6 हमने determiners इसमें हमने complete कर लिए, and I hope you understood it well. So quickly हम एक बार सिर्फ ये determiner chart बनाते हैं, just to we can say, just to know the names. First determiner कौन सा था? The first determiner was articles. ठीक है, articles basically क्या थे? A, and the. Okay. Now the second determiner was distributives. Distributives क्या थे? Distributives थे this, that, these and those, right? Now next comes, we can say third article क्या था? Distributives. Distributives के few examples क्या थे? Each, every, either and neither. Clear? ठीक है. Then another one, उसके बाद में आया possessive. Possessives क्या थे? His, her, my, your, and many more can be there. These are the few examples. Then उसके बाद में हमारे आए quantifiers. ठीक है, quantifiers. Quantifiers में हमारे पास क्या था? Some, much and so on. Then last comes the numerals. Numerals के example क्या थे? It can be 1, 2 and so on, and first or second and so on. So here we can say the first one articles, the second one distributive. Sorry, this is the demonstrative. Demonstratives. ठीक है, demonstratives. Third one distributives. Fourth possessive. Fifth quantifier, and sixth is numerals. Okay, understood? So this is what we can say. These are the all determiners that we studied. ठीक है, I hope the topic is very clear to you. If it is clear to you, quickly एक बार hand raise कर देंगे. So these are the determiners, so that we can move on to the exercises. Clear? Yes, very good. Okay.